molecules are also nonpolar, which is why it's very hard to dissolve oxygen in liquids. Similar to lipids, um, we need a special structure that is made out of proteins to carry something that doesn't dissolve in water around our bloodstream. And in this case, it is going to be hemoglobin, right? So hemoglobin is dissolvable, is soluble in water. So hemoglobin kind of hugs onto O2. And since hemoglobin itself is soluble in water, it floats around in our bloodstream while hugging onto these oxygen molecules. So that oxygen can be delivered to the different tissues in our body. Understood?
Mm.
So anything that doesn't dissolve in water needs a special protein for it to be carried in our bloodstream, like lipoproteins for lipids and hemoglobin for O2 and the CO2. CO2 is also carried by hemoglobin, and it doesn't dissolve in liquid very easily. All right? Got it?
Yeah.
Any other things like sodium chloride, glucose, amino acids, they can directly be dissolved in blood without needing anything to carry it around. So we carry around glucose in our blood just as it's pure glucose form, just dissolved in our blood. Understood?